Hi, my name is Miss Selleck. I'm the Information Literacy Specialist. And this year, Dr. Kane put me in charge of our school website. So I've been working really hard trying to keep it up to date and add new information to it. I would like to encourage you to bookmark it on your computer and check it frequently. So on the home page, it has a wealth of information. All of our new information is usually posted here on the home page. And you can scroll down and read some of our latest news stories. Also, pay attention to the blue bar at the top. Under About, you can find out about our administrators, counselors, and we've recently added a teacher staff directory. So if you click on that, it will take you to the directory. And let's say that there's a teacher that you need to contact, but you don't know how. You could find them on this directory, and it will give you some information. It'll have their name, it'll have what grade they teach, the subject they teach, their office hours, if they do have office hours. Some of our teachers don't have office hours. And then it will also give you their email address. And it's a link you can click on and email them. So hopefully you'll find that useful. Under resources, a few things I want to point out. There is a bullying and threat report form if you need it. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, it is here. We also have some other information, including the basketball schedule for both the boys and the girls, and more information about our wonderful Plummer library. And then finally, the calendar has some upcoming events that are happening at Plummer. So you can check this out and see what's coming up in the future. So hopefully you find our website useful. I encourage you to bookmark it on your computer and check it frequently.